I'll show you how you can connect Whop onto your Discord. First off, from your Whop, you want to go ahead and tap on the app button right there, the one with the red arrow. You just want to tap on that or click on that. Once you click on that, you want to go ahead and tap on new app. You want to add a new app to your Whop to give your users more value. Tap on that. Once that's done, you want to search up Discord, and then in here, you'll find Discord. You want to go ahead and tap on Discord. Once you tap on Discord, you want to go ahead and tap it to be visible. So it's be use visible to add your app directly to your WAP. So you want to go ahead and tap on add. Once you tap on add, now you'll see this, right? Now on Discord, you want to go ahead and tap on configure Discord. On configure Discord, you want to tap on the blue button to connect to Discord. Once you connect to Discord, it'll open up a window that looks like this. You want to go ahead and let it manage your server, manage role, manage channel, kick members as well, and then you want to go ahead and authorize it. After that, that's it. You're done.